Good morning, class. Today we will solve the exercise questions of chapter number 5th. So let's start with question number first. Multiple choice question. So first one is, petroleum is called as black gold, rock oil, both A and B, and none of the above. So which one is your correct answer? C, because we call petroleum black gold also and rock oil. Okay. Now see the next one. Fossil fuels are renewable and inexhaustible resources. Renewable but inexhaustible resources. Non-renewable resources that can be recycled. Non-renewable resources that cannot be recycled. So which one is your correct answer? Fossil fuels are non-renewable resources that cannot be recycled. Okay, so this is your correct option. Now see the next one. A substance is used for metalling the road is bitumen, coke, concrete and carbon. So which one is your correct answer? Bitumen. Okay, understand? Now see the next one. The purest form of coal is peat, bituminous coal and anthracite lignite. So which one is your correct answer? The purest form of coal is peat. Okay, understand? Now see the next one. Main renewable source of energy is sun, fuel gas, petroleum, coal. So main renewable source of energy is sun. Okay. Now see the next one. The least polluting fuel for vehicles is CNG, petrol, petroleum, none of the above. So which one is the correct answer? CNG, because CNG is the environment friendly gas. So which do not produce any flame and smoke. Okay. So we will write here CNG. Now see the next one. Fill in the blanks. So first one is, natural gas mainly consists of dash gas. So natural gas, which gas contain? We will write here methane gas. Okay, natural gas mainly consists of methane gas. Now the next one is, dash is used in the extraction of metals such as iron, copper, etc. So which is used in the extraction of metal? Coal is used. Okay. Now see the third one. Dash is used as a domestic and industrial fuel. So which one is used as a domestic and industrial fuel? So we will write here natural gas. Natural gas is used as a domestic and industrial fuel. Okay. Now see the fourth one. Metals, petroleum and coal are dash resources. So metals, petroleum and coal are non-renewable resources. So we will write here non-renewable. Okay. Now see the fifth one. Wood is converted into coal by the process of carbonization. So we will write here carbonization. Okay. Now see the last one. Dash is called black gold. So we will see in the first multiple choice question. Petroleum is called as black gold and rock oil. So we will write here petroleum. Okay. Now see. Write T for true and F for false statement. Okay. So first one is, coke is used in the manufacture of explosive. So this statement is true or false? This statement is false. Okay. Now see the next one. Global warming lead to greenhouse effect. So this statement is true. So we will write here T. Now see the next one. Petroleum is an exhaustible natural resource. So this statement is also true. So we will write here T. Next one is anthracite has maximum carbon content. So this statement is also true because anthracite contain maximum carbon. Okay, understand? Now see the next one. Coal is one of the main fuel to provide energy for electricity generation, for industries, for household, etc. So this statement is false. Coal is not only the fuel. Okay. So next is metals can be recycled. So this statement is true. So we will write here T. Okay. Understand? Now see the next one. Very short answer type questions. So first one is, which is a better fuel, coal and coke? So which one is your better fuel, coal or coke? So we will write here coke, because coke, because it has more calorific value. Okay, so we will choose here coke because it has more calorific value. Okay, name the process of slow conversion of wood into coal under high temperature, high pressure and in the absence of air. So which process? We will write here carbonization is that process. Okay, so write here carbonization. Now what is CNG? CNG is a compressed natural gas. C4 compressed, N4 natural, Ng4 gas. So we will write here CNG means compressed natural gas. Okay. Now see the next one. What is the meaning of petroleum? So what is the meaning of petroleum? Petra meaning rock and oilum meaning oil. Thus petroleum means rock oil. Okay. This is the definition of petroleum. Understand? Here petro meaning rock and oleum meaning oil. Thus petroleum means rock oil. Okay. Now next one is the common name of coal, petroleum and natural gas. So we have to write the common name of coal, petroleum and natural gas is fossil fuel. We call them commonly fossil fuels. So we will write here fossil fuel. Okay. Understand? Now see the last one. Separation of petroleum into many useful components is called fractional distillation. So we will write here fractional distillation. Okay, understand? Now see the next one, short answer type questions. So first one is, what are natural resources? Mention their type also. Okay, so we have to give the answer of natural resources and their types. So the answer of these questions is, natural resources are the free gift of nature that are given to us for our survival. मतलब कि जो natural resources होते हैं वो नेचर की तरफ से हमें फ्री गिफ्ट दिए होते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि हमारे सर्वाइवल के लिए, मतलब कि हमें जीवित रहने के लिए. डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ वेरियस रिसोर्सेज इन नेचर, द नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज कैन बी ब्रॉडली क्लासिफाइड इनटू टू, which are exhaustible natural resources and inexhaustible natural resources. मतलब कि उस रिसोर्सेज की अवेलेबिलिटी नेचर में कितनी है उस बेस पर नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज को दो भागों में विभाजित किया गया है. सो फर्स्ट वन इज एग्जॉस्टिबल नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज इनएग्जॉस्टिबल नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट वन. Our next question is, write 3 uses of coal. We have to give the 3 uses of coal. Okay, so see the answer of this question. We have to give any 3 uses of coal. Okay, so first one is, coal is one of the most important domestic fuel in India. मतलब कि कोल का यूज़ हम एज अ घरेलू उपयोग के लिए भी हम करते हैं। ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज कोल इज़ वाइडली यूज्ड एज अ फ्यूल इन फैक्ट्रीज एंड थर्मल पावर स्टेशन। मतलब कि कोयले का यूज़ हम फैक्ट्रीज में और थर्मल पावर स्टेशन में भी एज अ फ्यूल करते हैं। ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज कोल इज़ यूज्ड इन द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ वेरियस फ्यूल गैसेस सच एज कोल गैस एंड वाटर गैस। मतलब कि जो कोयला होता है उसका यूज़ हम बहुत सारे फ्यूल गैसेस को बनाने के लिए करते हैं, जैसे कि कोल गैस और वाटर गैस। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज इट कैन ऑल्सो बी यूज टू मेक सेवरल प्रोडक्ट्स सच एज कोक, कोल तार एक्सेट्रा। मतलब कि कोल का यूज़ हम बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स बनाने के लिए भी करते हैं, जैसे कि कोक, कोल तार एक्सेट्रा। ओके, वी हैव टू गिव एनी ओनली 3 uses ऑफ कोल। अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Now the next question is, what is carbonization process? So the process of carbonization, we will see. The answer of this question is this. It is a very slow process. मतलब कि जो कार्बोनाइजेशन की प्रोसेस होती है वो बहुत ही स्लो प्रोसेस है, विच इज़ कम्प्लीटेड इन अ नंबर ऑफ स्टेप्स। मतलब कि वो नंबर ऑफ स्टेप्स में कंप्लीट होती है। ईच स्टेप लीडिंग टू एन इंक्रीज कार्बन कंटेंट, और हर एक स्टेप में कार्बन कंटेंट बढ़ता जाता है, मतलब कि कार्बन की मात्रा बढ़ती जाती है। द सीक्वेंस ऑफ चेंज इज वुड इज चेंजेस इनटू पीट, and peat is changed into lignite, and lignite is changed into bituminous coal, and bituminous coal is changes into anthracite. So this is the process of carbonization. Okay, understand? Now the next question we will see in the next video. Thank you.